Hey guys, if you want a platform where everything works fast and doesn't overload you from the first second, this video will help you. Today we're taking a full look at ExpertOption and why many users choose it for a quick and simple start. Make sure to watch this video till the end because I've prepared a bonus for you. And if you want to check it yourself, you can find all the official links in the description below. Let's start with the interface. ExpertOption feels light from the very beginning. When you open it, you don't see unnecessary elements. Everything is compact and easy to understand. You have the chart, the controls, and the main sections. Everything is visible right away. Now let's talk about usability. One of the biggest advantages here is speed. You can move between sections quickly, switch assets, and understand how things work almost instantly. There's no feeling of confusion or overload, and this is exactly what makes it attractive for beginners. Next, performance. ExpertOption is very responsive. Everything loads quickly, transitions are smooth, and the platform feels fast even on weaker devices, which is a big plus if you don't want to deal with delays or heavy interfaces. Now about functionality. The platform focuses on simplicity. You get the essential tools without unnecessary complexity, and this is the key idea. It doesn't try to give you everything at once, and this brings us to the comparison. Compared to more complex platforms like ExpertOption, ExpertOption feels much lighter and easier to understand from the start. At the same time, compared to platforms like Binomo or Cortex, it feels even more minimal and faster, but slightly more basic in terms of features. So it sits on the simpler side, but with a focus on speed. Another important point is accessibility. ExpertOption works well on both desktop and mobile, and because of its lightweight design, it feels especially smooth on mobile devices. So what makes ExpertOption stand out? It's the speed and simplicity. You don't need time to adapt. You can just open it and start exploring immediately. So what should you do? If you want a fast, simple, and lightweight platform, ExpertOption is definitely worth trying. And here's something important. When you use the correct link and top up your balance, platforms like ExpertOption often provide a bonus, which gives you a better starting position. If you want to get started, check the links in the description, choose your platform, and when you top up your account, you'll get a good bonus to your balance from our channel. When you register through the link, which will give you a better start. I'll also help you personally with a free consultation so you can avoid beginner mistakes. That way you don't just choose a platform, you start quickly and confidently.